How to fix voicemail alert sound not working in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on sounds and haptics. After clicking on sounds and haptics, then click on new voicemail. And here you can select any voicemail notification sound. Here it will select droplet by default. After selecting a sound, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your home screen and check your do not disturb. Now swipe down to your control center, and here you can see if you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off your do not disturb, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.